Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about why a milk pump may suddenly stop working properly and what mothers can check before getting worried. Sometimes a pump may feel weaker than usual, take longer sessions, or not work as smoothly as before. In many cases, the issue is small and can be fixed easily. One common reason is loose or improperly connected parts. If any part is not attached correctly, the suction may become weaker. Checking all connections carefully before pumping can help. Another reason can be worn out pump parts. Over time, some small parts may lose flexibility or stop sealing properly, which can affect performance. Regularly checking your equipment is important. Battery charge or power supply can also affect how the pump works. If the battery is low or the power connection is unstable, the pump may not perform normally. Sometimes the issue is simply moisture or milk residue left in certain parts after cleaning. Making sure all parts are completely clean and dry before use can improve performance. Incorrect positioning during pumping may also make it feel like the pump is not working properly. Small adjustments in placement can make sessions more comfortable and effective. It is also important to stay relaxed during pumping. Stress or tension can sometimes make the session feel less productive, even when the pump is working normally. Cleaning and storing the pump properly after every use helps maintain good performance over time. Most small issues can usually be improved by checking the setup, cleaning routine, and pump parts carefully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.